Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, Lila and her trusty dog Fluffly stumbled upon a hidden treasure, an art gallery filled with magical paintings of all shapes and colours. "Wow, Fluffly, look at all these beautiful paintings," Lila exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. Fluffly wagged his tail excitedly. "Woof! This place is pawsome!" Inspired by the artwork, Lila and Fluffly hatched a brilliant plan. They would organise an art auction to raise funds for charity and help make the ocean less polluted. "Lila, this is going to be positively fantastic," Fluffly barked with enthusiasm. And so the adventure began. Lila and Fluffly enlisted the help of their friends, Tommy the turtle, Bella the bunny, and Sammy the seagull, to create paintings for the auction. "All right, everyone, let's get painting," Lila declared, handing out paintbrushes and canvases. Tommy dipped his brush into the paint and carefully began to create a masterpiece of swirling blues and greens. "I'm painting a beautiful underwater scene to remind everyone of the importance of keeping our oceans clean," he explained, his flippers moving gracefully across the canvas. Bella giggled as she painted bright flowers and butterflies. "I'm adding a touch of magic to my painting to spread joy and happiness to all who see it." Sammy squawked with excitement as he splashed paint onto his canvas. "I'm painting a picture of all the sea creatures working together to clean up the ocean. We can do it if we all work together." But just as they were putting the finishing touches on their paintings, disaster struck. The paintings disappeared without a trace, leaving Lila and her friends puzzled and confused. "Oh no, where did our paintings go?" Lila cried, her brow furrowed in worry. Fluffly sniffed the air, his nose twitching with determination. "Don't worry, Lila. We'll solve this mystery and get our paintings back." And so, the intrepid group set out to find the missing artwork. They followed clues, searched high and low, and even enlisted the help of some friendly forest creatures along the way. "Look, Lila, I found a clue," Tommy exclaimed, pointing to a piece of paper hidden behind a bush. "It says, 'Follow the rainbow to find your treasure.'" With renewed hope, they followed the rainbow through the forest until they stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside, they found the paintings, neatly stacked and ready to be sold. But before they could celebrate, they had to catch the culprit behind the theft. With quick thinking and teamwork, they set a clever trap and caught the sneaky squirrel red-handed. "Caught you, you rascally rodent," Fluffly barked triumphantly, wagging his tail. The squirrel hung his head in shame. "I'm sorry. I just wanted to decorate my treehouse with pretty paintings. I didn't realize how much they meant to you." Lila smiled kindly. "It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. But stealing is never the answer. Let's work together to make things right." And so, with the paintings returned and the thief forgiven, Lila and her friends held a spectacular art auction. The paintings sold for a fortune, and the money was donated to charity to help clean up the ocean. As they watched the sunset over the forest, Lila and her friends knew that even the smallest acts of kindness could make a big difference in the world. And they learned that true treasure isn't found in gold or jewels, but in friendship, generosity, and helping others in need.